So today I want to talk about how to harvest the seeds from the field lettuce, also called corn lettuce. You can see my other videos about the field salad or field lettuce in the playlist, in the garden section of the playlist. So here the lettuce usually grows so high, maybe so high, and then at one point I let it all grow and it grows really tall. See, it's really tall, 2 handspans high. And here this one is still green, hasn't dried yet. And see, it starts blooming, which this hasn't. It starts blooming and then the flowers dry up and develop the seeds. Here you can see it better, probably. See? Those are still green, and here are the dried up seeds. Even though I watered the area here where they have the roots, see? Yeah, they have the roots, and I watered the area, not on top of it. So in case some seeds would develop already, which this one is a little later than the rest of it, I didn't want to make it wet so the seeds wouldn't drop to the ground. So what I did was I put my little container here, and then I just put those over the edge and crumble it all up. I harvested those already, and those I harvested those as well. So you would just get this whole bundle over the edge and then just crumble it all up, and then you have a ton of seeds. You also have some stems, but that doesn't matter, does it? You could pick out the big stems if you like to, like this one or this one. You can take it out or strain it. I don't care. So in the fall, I will just take some and sprinkle it on the ground, cover it with dirt, water it, and voila, I will have field lettuce that grows again. And I'm just waiting for the fall when it's a little bit cooler. See, here are some seeds. So I just take a bunch over the edge of the bowl and then I just crumble it up. See? Those are flowers. They're tiny, tiny flowers. I hope you can see this. Tiny, tiny flowers. And when they develop seeds, they dry up, and then you just crumble it up into a bowl or onto a piece of paper. Make it big enough if you lay down a piece of paper. See, I just crumble this all up. And then you have all those big stems, and you just throw it on the ground, as here, or in the compost. So here you go. Check out my other videos about field lettuce, and then you see how it actually looks like. And now you know how to harvest the seeds. And I wanted to order new seeds on the website I'm usually ordering from, heirloom seed, and there was not one seed, not one for field salad. Out of stock, out of stock. There is a French version, and I don't know what the other is called. We have field lettuce in Germany. That's not the French kind. The French one looks different. But anyway, they were both out of stock. So here, now you know how to get your seeds. And then just put it in a paper bag and keep it in a dry and cool area in the house until fall and spring. Take care and get your hands dirty.